Microtrac's Partan 3D product line has set the standard for dynamic image analysis. Our patented 3D capability on the Partan 3D, Partan 3D MaxiLab instruments, and Partan 3D Pro online system is enabling users to understand their particles better than ever thought possible. Defining quality of materials has taken on a new dimension, and with 3D, hands-free, real-time results from the Partan 3D Pro, companies are able to gain competitive advantage while reaping significant increases in revenue. Microtrac's patented methodology for 3D measurement is shown here. Material is poured into the funnel and it flows onto a vibrating tray. As particles fall off the end of the tray, they start tumbling. Tracking is the key. The high-speed digital camera will take multiple images of each particle, showing it in all orientations. The Partan 3D software will then measure length, width, thickness, perimeter, and area of the particle as it maps it in pixels. From here, the software calculates more than 30 additional parameters that users can utilize to characterize their material. Microtrac's Partan 3D Pro is built using stainless steel cabinets and is currently running in more than 100 plants around the world. The system connects via standard interface to a plant's DCS and runs unattended. When product in the plant starts to go out of specification, the control room gets an alert immediately so they can take action before off-spec product is produced. Microtrac's Partan 3D Pro is delivering significant financial results to plants around the world.